welcome back, guys. I know it's been a while since you've seen me, so I'm back, and today we're gonna make something super interesting. We're gonna make Rasta pasta, guys. It's the first pasta dish, so I'm looking forward to do this and show you guys this. So welcome, guys. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get cooking, guys. So I got my ingredients here. Got some onions, I got some heavy cream, jerk sauce, natural season, I got some coconut milk, we got some peppers, of course we got some scotch bonnet, we have some pimentos, we have some shrimp, we have some chicken breasts, and now my pots are there, guys. So I'm gonna prepare all my seasons as usual, my natural season. And I'm just gonna cut up all these, put in a bowl. Got some garlic. And guys, we're gonna leave these as strips because we're using them different today. We're not cubing and everything, we're just leaving them as strip. Or we just julienning them. Looking good, guys, looking good. Look at all my colors already. We have our shrimp here. As you can see, we have some lemon on it. Alright, we're just gonna wash our shrimp down. Nice lemon sauce on our shrimp, guys. It's a nice medium shrimp. It's around medium sized shrimp. Alright. And then we have chicken breast here, guys. Some chicken breast right there. See that? Alright. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna saute our chicken first. So we have a pan here, we're gonna saute the chicken in that pan. And then we're gonna transfer everything that we're gonna cook our pasta in that one over there. You see, guys? So that's what we're working with. When I switch up my board so I can cut my chicken out. We're gonna use this board for the chicken. Put some gloves on. And we're just gonna cut the chicken into strips. Pasta is doing this thing, guys. I got my chicken here. The Scotch bonnet is wicked. Scotch bonnet is kicking, guys. Like 2 Scotch bonnet pepper in there. Make my chicken got a nice flavor. We're just gonna pan sear these, guys. Because my pasta getting ready. I got some bow tie pasta. And we got some jerk sauce on top of that. Some nice Walker's Wood jerk sauce. On top of that chicken. And we still got the shrimp over here, guys. We're gonna do that one last. I got my natural season there. Getting ready, guys. So let's get cooking, guys. We have Rudy here. Put all that chicken breast, guys. For you gym rats, this is good. If you like to work out, go to the gym. Pot that bubble up nice. Put that pot bubbling real nice, guys. You can see our chicken is almost done, and we're starting our sauce right there. We got our pasta there already done. Getting ready to incorporate. So we're starting our sauce, guys, and we're gonna add some heavy cream in my roux. Guys, you don't want your sauce to burn, so you gotta lower the flame on your sauce. I'm gonna put a little salt in your sauce. Okay. Garlic powder. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. You see my skillet, guys. When we were kids, we usually call this the knockout pan. Because every movie you watch, somebody's getting hit over the head with this pan. Look at that heavy pan. Somebody's always getting knocked out with this pan in a movie. So we used to call it the knockout pan. This nice heavy skillet. Look at my sauce, guys, coming along real nice. I gotta lower that flame a little bit more. It's sticking up nicely. Yeah. I want to add a little water it won't be too thick. Just sticking up nicely. I think our chicken is done. We're gonna put, of course, some allspice. Put the cloves of allspice in there, give it a nice flavor. Chicken is done, guys. Coming straight out of the knockout pack. You know what we're gonna do next? On top of all that nice chicken juice, we're gonna drop our shrimp. Look at that, boom. Here we have it. Alright. Drop our shrimp right on top of that. Looking good. A little bit of salt. Alright, a little bit of garlic. Nice flavor. And of course, you can put a little Cajun seasoning if you want to. But we want to put jerk seasoning because this is Jamaican style. So a little bit of Walker's Wood. And of course, I put a lot of seasoning already, so you don't want it too hot. It'll be super spicy on you. Wow, pepper is kicking. This pepper will have you coughing, guys. Guys, my sauce looking good now. Sauce is done. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the sauce off, right? Get my sauce off out of there. I'm gonna switch over to a bigger pot. We could manage this, both of this. Put a little oil in there. And what I'm gonna do, guys, on my natural season, look at that, boom, right there. On my natural season. I'm gonna let that go down, and then we combine everything, guys. Looking good. Look at that color, guys. Wow. There you have it. My shrimp is looking good. It's in a nice color. Oh yeah. It's a good meal. So we got natural season there. We got the shrimp. We got the pasta, bow tie pasta. We got the chicken, right, guys? And then we got the sauce. So I think we're looking good. And of course, I got some nice mozzarella to go on top. The shrimp, you got the jerk sauce on it, so pepper is no joke. Put my natural season. Look at that color, guys. Beautiful. Look at that nice red, gold, and green. Yeah, it's looking good. But guys, I think we could turn off our shrimp now. It's looking good. You want to incorporate a little water to steam it. And of course, we're gonna put some coconut milk. Really soak up in those veg. Right, guys, let that steam down a little bit and we're good to go. There you have it, guys. Look at all my ingredients lined out. So we're just waiting for the vegetable to steam. Then we're gonna incorporate everything in there. All right, guys, look at my veg cooking down in some coconut milk. Looking good. Look at that veg looking real good. So now I'm gonna add my shrimp to the veg. Look at that. Oh, goodness, spice in the sauce. Let's go next, guys, my chicken. There you have it, guys. There's my chicken. Boom. Right in the pot. My chicken. That looks real lovely, guys. Look at that. She's looking good. And then I put the rest in the sauce. Nice. You add the sauce, guys. Look at that. Lastly, guys, we'll put back our pasta now. Oh yeah. I think we need a bigger pot. We are ready to plate. Check this out. Wow. Look at that. Look at the cheese. Chicken and shrimp. And all that good vegetables. Look at that plate, guys. And there you have it, guys. Rasta pasta. There you have it, guys. Once again, guys, this is Chef Rudy tuning out. Like, share, and subscribe to my video. And there you have it, guys. Rasta pasta with some shrimp. Guys, enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.